part 2. So for today's video, we're gonna play my Talking Tom 2. And I have noticed our oh my god, sorry. I didn't know about this. I said, oh, just use this. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna let you skip off this because this freaky ads. Paano ka nag... Anyways, I'm just... Oh, I know. Well, what? How about this? Okay, you go. You print the copy that I really hate. You skip this one. Anyways, mamaya na lang ha. Yes, okay. Don't skip this bro. Yes, nothing is What did you choose? What did you choose? What's supposed to be a but based on this basic. Oh my god. Look at this. Chinese. Okay, nice one. Okay, I want to skip this. Oh my god. Okay, you know what this ad says? And here comes the movie. Oh, look at this. Nice one. Nice one. If this reaches to 100, now this is the part 3 coming soon. Because I need to go. This is too. Okay, for today, the mukbang's done. So wait for me in part 3!